Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the class. Today we will study division in rational numbers. So, how to perform the division of rational numbers? The division is the inverse of multiplication and is defined below as if a by b and c by d are two rational numbers such that c by d should not be equal to 0, means the divisor should never be equal to 0. Then a by b divided by c by d is equal to a by b into, this division changes to the into sign, and the next rational number is written in its reciprocal form. That's how your c by d will be d by c. Okay, taking one example here, 3 by 7 divided by minus 5 by 4. So 3 by 7 will be written as it is. Division will be changed to a multiplication sign, and after that the rational number which was minus 5 by 4 is inverted and written as 4 by minus 5. Only this thing you have to remember, division will change to a multiplication sign, and after that the next rational number will be inverted. After that you multiply 3 into 4 by 7 into minus 5, that is a 12 by minus 35. Changing the denominator to the positive, the answer is minus 12 by 35. Now we have some word problem. Let us look to one of them. The product of two rational numbers is minus 36 by 5. Okay, two are there. When they are multiplied, the answer is minus 36 by 5. If one number is 9 by 16, what is the other number? So I always say when they ask the other number, assume the other number to be x. So let the other number be x. Then according to question, 9 by 16, because one number is 9 by 16. So 9 by 16 into x is minus 36 by 5. Since 9 by 16 is getting multiplied on one side, it will come on other side and it will be divided. That's how minus 36 by 5 divided by 9 by 16 is minus 36 by 5 into 16 by 9. Solving them, you'll get the answer as, this will be divisible with 3. 3 ones are 3 3s are 9, and 3 into minus 12 is minus 36, and yeah, again 3 ones are 3, and 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. So 16 into minus 4 is minus 64, and 1 into 5 is 5. That answer is minus 64 by 5. Okay, same way one more is given. The same concept is there. You can see it and do it. Moving on to exercise 1.5, very simple and very easy question. So from the first simplify, you have to divide. I have done the third part for you. 8 whole 2 by 3 divided by 13 by 3. So 8 whole 2 by 3 will be simplified as 26 by 3, and 13 by 3 will be inverted to 3 by 13. Let us solve. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 3 ones are 3, and 3 ones are 3. So the answer is 2 into 1 by 1 into 1, that is 2 by 1, that is 2. Okay. Next part, third one, this is not visible properly. Third one, by what number should 5 by 7 be divided to get minus 15 by 56? So you have to divide it with a number. Let us say the number is x. So let the number be x. Then according to question, 5 by 7 divided by x is minus 15 by 16. So we are solving this side of the equation. 5 by 7, x can be written as x by 1, and when the division will be changed to multiplication sign, it will be 1 by x. So 5 by 7x equals to minus 15 by 16. Now cross multiplying, this will be multiplied with this and this will be multiplied by this. 5 into 16 is 7x into minus 15. So 5 into 16 by 7 into minus 15 is x. The 7 and minus 15 are coming on the other side and getting divided. Now 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 15. So minus 3. So the value of x is 16 by 7 into minus 3, that is minus 21. This is the answer. So the marked ones are your homework. Second part from question number 1, second sub part and fifth sub part, and question number 4. Question number 4, they have given the values x is 5 by 4 and y is minus 1 by 3. Then they are asking you to find the value of x plus y divided by x minus y. So first you will solve x plus y, then you will do x minus y. Whatever are the answers, you will divide both of them. Moving on to the next part, question number 5, 6 and 7. Doing question number 5, the sum of this and this, divide the sum of 3 by 11 and 2 by 5 by their product. So first what we will do, first we will find the sum of 3 by 11 and 2 by 5. Adding 3 by 11 and 2 by 5, we will get the answer as 37 by 55. Then we have to find the product of 3 by 11 and 2 by 5. It means we have to multiply. So 3 by 11 into 2 by 5 is a 6 by 55. Now according to question you have to divide. So 37 by 55 divided by 6 by 55, which on solving will give the answer as 37 by 6. Question number 7, simplify whatever is given, just do it that way. So second part is done for you. You can see there. Then 2 are your homework, third and fourth. And question number 6 is also your homework. The product of two rational number is 92 by 3. One of the number is 56 by 3. What is the other number? Assume the other number to be x. Then multiply that. This will be, one of the number is 256 by 3 into x will be 92 by 3. Solve it and get the value of x. That was all for today, my dear students. Do your homework, submit on time. I am happy with the performance of you all who are working hard and sending the homeworks with the proper instructions. Thank you. Have a nice day.